A more flexible workplace is the future. Organizations need to stay ahead of the curve by implementing strategies around our dynamic digital ecosystem. To keep you up to date with the latest, we'll explore 7 of the most relevant digital workplace trends, setting the pace as we move forward. Number 1. Experience management. The customer has always been at the center of a transaction, but how we define good customer service has evolved. With the development of new concepts like experience management, companies have begun to analyze and measure customer experience in the digital world with greater scrutiny. Now, quantifying experience is no easy task, much less assigning an economic value. Make sure to check out our video on XLAs, experience level agreements. Link is in the description below. Number 2. Remote work. Of all the digital workplace trends, this may be the most obvious, as the world has undergone a significant change in how we conduct business in the face of a pandemic. Remote and hybrid work is here to stay. Gartner reports that businesses unwilling to meet increasing expectations for more flexible work could lose up to 39% of their workforce. Organizations that don't adapt to hybrid working models, and thus more human-centric business models, are at risk. 3. Cloud-based solutions. Organizations have adopted cloud-based solutions to ensure remote workers have what they need to stay productive and satisfied. The modern digital workplace is largely on cloud-native applications and software. Take the rise of virtual desktop infrastructure, for example, and other technologies that allow businesses to deploy, manage, and equip their teams with digital tools and desktop environments more quickly from a central server. This provides companies with reduced setup costs, greater scalability, and tighter security. And that leads us to number 4, cybersecurity. Security processes like two-factor authentication and requests to update passwords are a product of modern attempts to bolster cybersecurity. Additionally, new workplace trends will include education and culture building on how to protect your data and not fall prey to security risks where human error is the leading cause of data breaches. Number 5. AI and automation. Artificial intelligence and automating mundane tasks that save time in an employee's workflow are not new. They are, however, becoming a way for organizations to rapidly transform the speed at which they operate and save money by moving away from manual processes in a digital environment. Optimizing performance and giving support teams time to focus on more complex tasks via automated systems and chatbots are integral parts of digital workplace technology. Number 6. Cost and time optimization. It may go without saying, but another obvious benefit to digital workplace trends that allow for hybrid work is the time you save on commuting. The reduced travel stress from fewer daily commutes can also make for a happier, more productive worker. Another way of optimizing costs could be the bring your own device policy. In this case, companies save on providing their team members with devices like computers, phones, and tablets. However, you must review security protocols with your team and take precautions. Bring your own device is one of the main causes of shadow IT, and it increases the risk of security breaches. Check out our video on shadow IT in the comments below. Number 7. Collaboration tools. Finally, one of the most popular digital workplace trends is the growth of collaboration tools. Keeping your teams connected has the practical benefit of maintaining communication to run a productive workforce, just as you would in an office. Video conferencing software and platforms are essential to this end, and the starting point for any digital workplace. Additionally, digital whiteboards, document synchronization solutions, presentation tools like Google Slides, shared calendars, and chat software like Microsoft Teams and Slack can round out your tech stack and establish the framework for a productive digital workplace. And of course, IT service management software such as InvGate Service Desk, which includes a self-service portal and knowledge base, can make your ticketing and support processes much easier. Maintaining good customer and employee experience at the center of your digital workplace will continue to be a critical part of digital transformation, as more workers demand flexibility in how and where they work. Digital workplace solutions that promote collaboration and communication are the key to managing remote and hybrid teams. To preserve employee productivity and a healthy ROI in uncertain, rapidly changing times, your business must be attentive to the rise of these digital workplace trends. In the world of IT, things move pretty fast. If you're not careful, you might just get left behind. We hope we've given you some perspective on this issue. If so, please like the video and subscribe to InvGate Academy for more videos on the ins and outs of service management.